everyone, and welcome once again to another Finance Magnates video executive interview. I'm here today with Nikola Broceta, founding and managing director at FX Doctor. Welcome, Nikola. So tell me a little bit more about FX Doctor. What exactly is it, and how is it?
FX Doctor is an educational platform. It is one of our projects. Our first project last year. I'm a trader since 2003. I was trading on Serbian Belgrade Stock Exchange. I'm a licensed stockbroker. I was a portfolio manager too. And this FX Doctor is strictly education.
So is it true that people who enter the FX Doctor fund have essentially secured their future?
Yes, it is true, because to become a professional trader, you have to master your emotions, and the same is in life. And who enter this fund we have strict risk rules, you have to be patient, and the same thing is in life.
And how does a closed fund forms around education?
It was never meant to be a fund. It was only education, but in the meantime, I met some nice people, and we started to trade together. And step by step, we made this fund. It's not a fund, it's like community where we trade together. We have a trading floor, we have our rules, and that is the story behind it.
And in this community, there's people who quit and there's people who succeed. So what separates a successful trader from those who quit easily?
Patience.
It's all about patience.
Yes.
So how can someone is considered to be eligible for the fund?
Yeah, that's a good question. Everybody who comes to advanced course, to master course at FX Doctor, is considered to be a part of FX Doctor. It is not a guarantee, but we don't look for genius. We are just looking for reliable people, for patience, and that is the first step.
Yeah. So what does this fund mean for a trader?
This fund means that first you are free. You are financially free. You earn like in Serbia, in Balkans, that part is really, that percentage that we earn in FX Doctor fund, it's like someone's yearly, paycheck. Sorry.
So do you think that someone can do like this job as a lifetime job?
Yes,
can
of course.
Become a full-time one.
Yes, this is the best job in the world because of freedom. You have, let's say, 3 or 4 hours per day, but to become a professional trader, you have to invest a lot. You have to invest a lot of time. You have to invest a lot of knowledge, of patience, and everything. You need, let's say, 1 or 2 years minimum to become a professional trader. And when you become a professional trader, then you are free.
So let's say I want to enter this fund. How strict is the selection and the process?
It's very strict. It's very strict because, as I said, we don't need genius. We don't need supermen. We don't need super traders. We need regular people, calm people who know how to manage their emotions.
So I have to be trained somehow.
Yes.
All right.
Of
So
course.
that's where the education comes.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
So what would you describe that is more harder, like training or being able to control emotions?
The hardest thing is to control your emotions. That is the hardest thing, definitely.
Do you have any tips about controlling emotions in that?
Don't quit.
Don't quit.
Don't quit.
Very good. So to wrap up, how is the daily life in FX Doctor?
Okay, we start like this. We start half an hour before market open, and I divided this group in 4 parts. One is FX, one is crypto, one is indices, and one is commodities. And then I go through all financial instruments that we trade and talk about them, my analysis. And after that, the member of each of this group is talking with me about this analysis, and that half hour we use to say what we have about today, what we will trade today. And we trade about 1 or 2 trades per day. That is maximum. Some days we don't trade at all, and that is it. Mostly first 2 hours we trade the London session and we trade New York session. That's it.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much
for your time. It was a very interesting conversation.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.